Okay, real talk here. In the first video, you picked your niche. In the second, you picked your product. Now you're sitting in front of your phone or laptop and staring at the blank cursor. What do you do next? How do I actually make this thing? I'm not good at writing. I'm not good at creating videos. What should I do? I hear you and I've been you. But today I'm going to show you a little trick. Most beginners don't know about this shortcut. And once you learn it, it will be so much easier for you. You'll never look at digital products the way you look now. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you either have a product done or halfway through it. Let me take you back when I first discovered private label rights product. I was trying to create a digital guide from scratch. It was going to be called Productivity Tips for Busy Dads. I opened a blank document, I wrote a title and I stared at it for days. Next day, nothing. The next day, still nothing. The day after, you get it, block. Then I stumbled upon a private label rights site which sold 7-page guide about daily routines. It wasn't perfect, but it was close. I downloaded it, tweaked a few things, and created a digital product in hours. So they gave me the idea around which I built my product. So it was like 70% my content, but I got the needed nudge with the already created product. Well, it was not perfect. It was not an award-winning product, but it was a product, a finished product, and it was sellable. Think of a private label rights like buying furniture in IKEA. You don't have to cut the wood itself. You grab the parts and put it together, and you got a table. Same with PLR. The pieces are already built, you just need to add your style and add your twist on it. So let's take you through step by step how to do this today. Go into the PLR database, which is linked in the description, and they have a free section. There are other sites like IDPLR, PLR.me for mainly wellness content, PLR Minds, but you can Google a lot of them. I will put some of them in the description. Bear in mind, some of those links are affiliate links, so I might get a commission if you pay something. One of the best ones is Entrepedia, which actually has thousands of high quality products. But if you want something quick, you can use these sites I listed above, because they have thousands of products around a lot of niches. So let's search based on your niche. Let's say your niche is time managers for working dads. Search morning routines, time management, productivity tips, and find products that you find interesting and download them. Don't overthink the title. You can do that later with AI. Download something simple. Look for short ebooks, 10 pages max, checklists, cheat sheets, resource lists, or similar. Templates, quick guides, journals, whatever it makes sense for your niche. Download it. It usually comes in Word or PDF or some other editable format. Now make it yours. Slightly customize it. You don't have to rewrite anything. You can sell it like it is. This is the beauty. But you can, and I urge you to do though, because when you will start creating social media content around your product, it will be more in your style, if you get what I mean. Change it, change the title, give it a fresh name, use ChatGPT or any AI software. Something that is simple and clear. So don't use morning productivity course, because nobody wants to buy a course. Use the goal, use the pain point that your perfect customer would have. For example, morning productivity becomes how I save 30 more minutes every morning without waking up earlier. Great title. Add your personal touch and clean up the layout. There is no need for graphic design degree. Do your best. Let me tell you something. You just created your digital product. That's it. That's how easy it is to actually start to prove yourself you can do it. This moment matters more than anything. You created, you took something that is already done, you edited it a bit, you flared it with your touch, and you now have your own digital product you can sell for $5, $7, $17. It depends. You started this video with I don't know what to sell, and you will finish after this video and creating, I have something real. I have something that I can sell. I have something that I can print out and hold in my hand. That belief is how everything starts for people. This is it for this short video. Tomorrow or in the next video, I will show you where to sell your product, where to put it. And it's free platform called Gumroad. So stick and subscribe and like and ask me anything in the comments. Don't be shy. Whatever you do, I will answer every single comments on these videos. And remember, you're doing this, you're making it real. Don't just watch these videos. Go find a product and create one, and see you in the next part.